Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this exciting Nykaa haul. I know I am little late to share this haul because I actually ordered these products way back, but life happened. So here we are finally unboxing all the goodies and I can't wait to share everything with you. So grab a coffee or chai and let's start unboxing together. I love the excitement of opening fresh packages. I felt there is something magical about new beginnings and the new product. Let me take everything out and lie it all nicely for you. Look at this little beauty corner we are creating. Here is a quick look at everything we will be exploring today. There is so much self-care and happiness and that all in one frame. First up is the Be Body Wise 10% AHA scrub. I have heard such an amazing thing about it for smoother and glowing skin. Let me show you the consistency on the back of my hand. It's creamy, lightweight and feels super gentle. Now let's wipe it off and instantly my skin feels soft and refreshed. I'm so happy to add this to my shower routine. Next, we have not one, not two, but three hair heroes from Be Blunt, perfect for styling without the stress. First is the Hot Shot Hold Spray to lock in any hairstyle. Then the Heat Protecting Mist to shield hair from the heat damage. And this is cute travel sized hair fall control shampoo, which is just perfect for on the go care. I'm really excited to add this to my hair routine because good hair days are always worth it. Next up, I have this beautiful hair care trio from Love Beauty and Planet. I picked up their coconut water and mimosa flower shampoo and conditioner, perfect for volume and bounce without weighing the hair down. The fragrance is absolutely fresh and tropical. Just look at the conditioner's structure, so silky and smooth. It feels really nourishing and lightweight, ideal for soft and bouncy hair. Now it's time for hair mask from the coconut water and mimosa flower range. I'm just going to remove the packaging. This hair mask is specially designed to add volume, bounce and hydration without weighing the hair down. The formula looks so creamy and nourishing, perfect for giving my hair that soft, healthy, shiny look. Next is JK Professional Hair Volumizer. This one perfect for those days when my hair feels a little flat. It's lightweight, non-sticky and designed to lift the root while adding a fuller and bouncier look. Next is my all-time favorite MAC Studio Fix Makeup Setting Spray. I restocked it because mine was almost empty and this new packaging has an even finer and more even spray system. It sets everything beautifully without feeling heavy. Definitely a staple in my kit. And to go along with it, I also picked up the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the shade NC40. It gives me that flawless matte finish, still feel super lightweight. The coverage is just right, buildable, smooth and perfect for everyday wear. Now this one is the Pure Magic, the Clinic Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. It's so smooth, buttery and it literally melts all my makeup in seconds and even waterproof. I have been using it for a while now and honestly it feels like a dreamy first step to my nighttime routine. And since I have been loving Clinique lately, I decided to try their primer for the very first time. The texture feels really smooth and lightweight, perfect for blurring pores and create a flawless base. Next is the Dot & Key Illuminating Glow Detan Clay Polish Mask. It's specially formulated to brighten, detox and gently exfoliate the skin. Just look at this beautiful jar. The texture is so rich and creamy. I have already used it a few times and it always leaves my skin feeling more fresh and soft after each use. Next is the Wish Care Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. It comes in a spray form which makes it super easy to apply directly onto the scalp. The formula is lightweight and non-sticky, designed to absorb quickly, perfect for a hustle-free addition to any hair care routine. This is Nykaa Makeup Remover Wipe, quick, gentle and perfect for on-the-go cleanup. Last but definitely not least, these 4 brushes from PAC are so well made. First we have the soft and fluffy powder brush and then the foundation blending brush for smooth coverage. Next the concealer brush for precise application and finally the eyeshadow brush for perfect blending. And that's it for my Nykaa haul. I hope you really enjoyed unboxing everything with me. Let me know your favorite product in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such cozy content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay glowing and take care.